Here's how to play Dead by Daylight on MacBook. So the first thing that you're going to do is to make sure that there is an authentication and enter the Mac password for you to be able to download the Parallels desktop for Mac. So this is actually needed for you to be able to run Windows because these games are actually available on Windows only. Once you have already installed it, click on the Get Windows 11 from Microsoft and wait for it to install to your Mac. Afterwards, you will be redirected on this page where you will see their Windows 11 configuration. Now click on the hardware option. After clicking on the hardware option, you can now go ahead and install Steam by Windows. Steam is actually an ultimate destination for playing, discussing, and creating games that can only be seen on the Windows. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and download Dead by Daylight and enjoy playing it to your MacBook device.